possible. Thirdly, harness the power of a fully automated, duplicatable system and start reaping the rewards. I look forward to working with you and helping you to build your super dealership. Thank you for watching.
Hi, Telepreneurs. Vox is essentially an online business. All the tools and information that you need to run your Vox business is available on the Vox website. My name's Maggie. I'm going to take you on a guided tour through the Vox website, www.vox.co.za, and I'd just like to introduce you to some of the key aspects. First of all, the products. The Vox products are all available on the Vox website. If you're a customer and you're buying on the Vox website, this is where you purchase the products from. Dealers must remember that if they're assisting a customer to buy a product, they must not log in as themselves into the website, but they must buy the product on the customer's behalf on the front end of the site. Perhaps we should just run through that order process so that it makes sense. So select a product. I'm going to select the ADSL phone. The purchase process is so very easy. Once you have come through and the customer is sure that this is the product that he wants, select the Buy Now button. Check that the information in the shopping cart is correct. You'll see the amounts. Check out. Now at this point, if your customer is an existing customer of Vox, in other words, if he is already registered on our system, then he will log in here with his customer number and password. If he has not previously registered on Vox, then you need to click here and register a new customer. This registration process is very important that all the information is filled in correctly. This information is stored on the Vox database, and any communications that we have with our customers or dealers in the future uses this information. You can also update this information at any time, but we'll get to that when I'm on the dealer side of the home site. The inquiry form is very intuitive. Just make sure that you fill in all the relevant details where there are asterisks. And once you've finished, be sure to check this box giving Vox authority to debit money from your account. And be sure to tick the box confirming that your details are correct. Then you can click through to the next screen, check that your delivery details are correct. Check your payment option selection, debit order. The information will jump in, make sure that it's correct, and then click the checkout. Here's a confirmation of the order with all the information of the product, plus all the banking details, and, very important, the opportunity to fill in your sponsor dealer number. Dealers, if you don't make sure that your customers put your number in here, then this sale will not be allocated to you. So please don't forget to do this. Did you see how it picked up that information? Now tick the box that you've read and accept the terms and conditions and purchase. And that's it. The back-end process kicks in, Burko delivers the phone, and you can chat on Vox for nothing. As well as this online order confirmation, you will get an email to the email address that we have registered on the system for the customer, confirming the order. So that's the ordering process for the products, which as you saw is very easy and quick process. Then perhaps the most important thing on the Vox website for the dealers is the login facility. Very often we'll say to you, if you're looking for something, log in on vox.co.za. What that means is that you type in your member number and password in this login box at the top right-hand corner of the screen, using your member number and password. Once you log in, this brings you through to the dealer homepage. The dealer products, these icons here, are all the dealer products. These are only available to dealers. Ordinary customers can't buy these products. For example, websites, which only the dealers can purchase, or promo material, where you can get all your Vox marketing goodies. The Vox Super Dealer package, plus the Cell C products. This section here, useful downloads. At the moment, we've got the commissions, but that grows all the time. Remember that the website's dynamic, so content is being added all the time. The dealer training, we keep updated as well with all relevant information about dealer training sessions for the next couple of weeks. So please be sure to come and check if you're looking for training. At the bottom, we have an archive of all our dealer updates. We are very aware of the fact that some people have difficulty receiving their emails when we send them the HTML dealer updates because of spam issues or because of junk mail rules on their mailboxes. So if you're not getting your dealer updates, please remember that you can always come and find them on the dealer homepage. Okay, then to the most important part of the dealer homepage, which is all your reporting functions. This entire menu down the left-hand side is all the tools and reporting that you as a dealer need to run a successful business. So if we can perhaps just run through it. From the top, this first section is all your details. Now if I click on personal details, you'll actually see the details. And you can log in at any time and update any of these details. Everything is completely editable. Make sure always to update if you change anything. The same applies for your contact details, banking details, and if you need to reset your password, there's no need to call the service center. You can just log in here, select a new password, fill it all in, update the information, and your new password is activated. Right, the next section is track and trace. If you're looking to trace an order, all you have to do is fill in the weighable number that you would have got on your order confirmation email after ordering a product. Click search. And here's all the relevant information around that particular order. There you can see the date, the warehouse that it's coming from, where it currently is. The next section that we're going to deal with is the billing section. Did you see I clicked on monthly invoices? If you see this drop-down menu shows you all the monthly invoice history for this particular dealer. If I select an invoice, click show, I will see the actual invoice. I keep saying that because Vox is an online business, everything is online, even your invoices. Sometimes dealers phone asking for copies of their invoices without being aware that they can go into the website and actually get the invoices themselves. There you go, there's the invoice. As you can see here, you can select a format for export for your invoice. You can print it, you can do whatever you like with it. The next option on the billing menu is once-off invoices. So the same thing, the history, there's the whole history of once-off invoices. Select it, open it, print it, save it to any format that you like. There you go. The last thing under the billing category is the itemized phone bill. So let's have a look. As you can see, there can be multiple telephone numbers and they will all be in this drop-down box. Then you can view the itemized phone bill for any date range. So all the historical information is also here. What we can see on the screen is the current month phone bill. There you see all the information you need. The next section is to manage your services. Now, the number of categories that you have in managed services obviously depends on what products you have. This dealer has a phone, so I will just show you the configure the phone services section. As you can see, if there are multiple phones, they will be listed here with all the details. And there are various aspects of the phone setup that you can change yourself online. For example, you select if you want to receive all calls. If you don't answer, where your calls must be forwarded to. Remember again, anything that you change on these screens, always remember to click update, otherwise the information won't be captured. If you have an ADSL from Vox, then you will have this link, ADSL Zone, under Manage Your Services. This is a really cool little tool. As you will see, all the various ADSL accounts are listed. If I select this one, I have a whole bunch of things that I can do online.